Thanks. Hello friends, how are you? Today I want to show you a drill that just arrived here at the workshop. Caption Adriana Sonata. Goodbye. Well, model in question is BTID. Is an angel from the blue line. It comes with the tool. This bag, which is really cool. I really like the bag. And it comes with this kit of drills and bits. The kit is very complete. It comes with some masonry drill bits for steel and wood, including 3-point drills, which has really been quite rare. And another tape measure and a ripper. Well, this kit can also be purchased separately. I'm testing the drills. At first I used a flat drill. I really liked it. One is 22 millimeters on my drill bench, and I really liked the drill. I didn't think it was bad. And let's see the rest. I'll tell you about it as I use it. Returning to the drill itself. Follow along. A depth limiter and more. Auxiliary handle and shunt die. The man drill. It's 1/2 inch, which is nice and very good for a drill of this size. It has a reverser. Look, here it has a control. A speed control that is actually nothing more than a limiter. Trigger depth. So the speed control is actually done by the trigger. It will work as if it were the gun. If you don't want to worry about controlling your finger, you can position here in the best possible way and have the lock. Famous lock. Here is the control for drill rotation or with the hammer. Chuck is very tight. It's even better than those green ones, those old Bosch and Hobbs ones. That had a gap since the origin. You picked it up and it had a gap. Here it doesn't have it. I believe it's a bushing. It probably isn't a bearing. Just like most drills, you usually have a bushing. Well, and then I'm going to put the tool to use and we're going to see the real result of it. I'm going to work with it here for a few days before finishing this video for you, okay? So let's move on to the tool to work here, which is its place. Well, just to make a conclusion about Enhel's drill, it's been with me for 15 days now. It was subjected to working conditions that even went beyond what would be its category. In terms of strength, it surprised me. But due to the heating it presented in that hole saw test, I wouldn't categorize it as being a professional drill. So in my opinion, it's a very good drill. Within this price range up to, including the kit that comes with it, which the drill bits are good. They're not wonderful drill bits. The steel drill bits can't be compared to a dormer drill, for example. Well, it's a decent drill bit that does its job. Then the others also follow the same level. The wood drill bits are good. The tips, The fact that it works very well as a screwdriver, even though it's not a screwdriver, are things that add the value to this drill, making it a very good tool for those who need to have a tool. For those who are starting out, they need to have a unique tool in the workshop and don't have the money to invest. Or for those who want to have a really reliable tool at home. She proved to be much better, much superior at the hobby line of that, right? You know that hobby line from Bosch, for example, which is a tool that I have permissions to speak because I've been using it for many years. And it also far surpasses the skill drill. Also in the hobby line. So within the hobby line is a drill that stands out on the market today. I don't know yet. I can't say how long it will last. How many years of work. Because this varies a lot from job to job. From person to person. Well, folks, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the test, the assessment. Remembering that we are also working with Torchy tools so that they can add more items to in the online store, so as you go. If you need any tools, look, they aren't there. You can talk to me, and I will get in touch. I will pass this list on to you as they get it. Close with suppliers and get a good price. Also in the market because there is no point in making it available and not being competitive. So as this goes well, they will make it available on the website as well. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the test, and we'll be back soon with more tool tests. I'll hug to everyone, and see you next time.